In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and hit Privacy. Finally, after accessing Permission Manager, select any feature that you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!